Hey everyone, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you a few projects that would go perfect inside the advent box that I created. I had done an advent box for my first episode of my 25 Days of Craftsmas series, and I just wanted to show you guys some projects that you could put inside the box or the little drawers because I'm in a swap and I wanted to create a few handmade goodies. So I'm going to be creating a mini pocket letter, a mini envelope flip book, and a mini gift set. I am going to be basically showing you the process of how I put everything together, but I do have tutorials that I will link down in the description box as well in case you guys want everything in detail. So I'll put those down there in case you guys are interested, and you're just going to see me just put everything together. And my first project that you see is my mini pocket letter. I first saw my friend Sabrina do the mini pocket letters, and I just thought they were perfect. They're a real quick and easy project, and like I said, they fit perfect inside the little drawers that go into the advent box. So I'm just going to go ahead and let you guys watch the process of this first project, and then we'll pop back in and let you guys know a little bit more about the second project that I will be creating for my box. Next, I'm going to be creating a mini envelope flip book. I haven't made one of these in a really long time, and I really enjoy making them. They're just a quick and simple project to throw together, and like I said, I have a tutorial that I will link down in the description box below if you guys want to go ahead and check that out. And I am using the Photo Play paper collection Mad for Plaid Christmas. I love this, and it goes perfectly with my advent box. So I'm just going to be creating my envelopes with my We Are Memory Keepers envelope punch board. Yes, I don't have the pretty one. I have the old one, but it still does the same thing. So no big deal. So like I said, I'm going to just let you guys listen to some Christmas music and watch the process of this, and then I will pop back in for my last project. So for my last project, I'm going to be putting together these cute little, I guess, embellishment packs. I made some of these during October when I did my crafty Halloween party and my Halloween party. And I had done some games and I just threw together some prize packs, and I just love the idea of arranging everything really nicely in a cellophane bag, and that's basically what I'm doing. So I measured out what would fit in my little drawer. That piece of pattern paper is the backing so that I can tape my cellophane baggie up and it'll fit perfectly inside my drawer. And then I'm just adding some embellishments that I would like to share. And you don't see, but I have some Scotch tape, and I just add a piece of tape on the back and I seal the top, and then it fits perfectly in my little drawer. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're not subscribed and you'd like to be, just go ahead and click the subscribe button. Thanks again for watching, and I will talk to you all tomorrow. Love you guys. Bye.